So these are some advanced vocabulary, Oxford and American idioms and phrases which we could use to replace very fundamental and rudimentary way of speaking. The first is I want to say that I was immensely shocked by the untidy and lack of cleanliness. Basically, I want to say that I was shocked. Then, in its place, I could use I was taken aback. I was taken aback by the incident. I was taken aback by the lack of cleanliness. I was knocked for six. I was struck dumb. I was taken by surprise with the incident. I was knocked sideways. These are the different idioms and phrases you could use in place of surprise and shock. The second is someone is acting very weird, slightly crazy, mad, being eccentric. You could say that he has got bats in his belfry. Bats in his belfry. He is a wackadoodle. He's acting like a cure fish. He's a complete basket case. He has lost his marbles. Okay. Third is the person is swearing some offensive words using rough, coarse, and very rude language. Then you could say he's turning the air blue. He's effing and blinding. He's swearing like a trooper. All for today.